Discover the future of construction with the ultimate power duo, the Almacrawler 3.0 BL and the MULE ML150, revolutionizing your job site. These two machines work seamlessly together to boost your efficiency and precision. With the Almacrawler advanced auto-leveling base, the MULE stays perfectly balanced and level, no matter how uneven the ground. Whether you're working on rough terrain or tight spaces, the Almacrawler's smooth, adaptable base ensures that the MULE is always stable and ready for action. The MULE ML150 isn't just any material handler. It's a versatile powerhouse that tackles everything from stacking blocks and laying SRW blocks to lifting heavy solar panels. With precision using its specialized grippers, no task is too big or too complex. As the MULE's powerful lifting capabilities take your productivity to the next level, this dynamic duo isn't just about lifting and moving materials. It's about saving you time, energy, and effort. By reducing manual labor and minimizing the risk of injury, the Almacrawler and MULE let you focus on what truly matters, getting the job done right, and getting it done faster. Whether you're working on a school, commercial project, or any masonry job, the Almacrawler and MULE provide unmatched efficiency and safety. This is construction made easy. Let the future of construction transform the way you work, bringing you not just results, but a whole new level of productivity. Let the Almacrawler 3.0 BL and MULE ML150 take your projects to new heights. The future of construction is here. Let it work for you.